What if I told you that inside a single drop of golden liquid lies the secret of kings, warriors, and healers? Would you believe it? Olive oil is not just food, it is history, culture, and medicine bottled together. Its story begins thousands of years ago in the sunlit lands of the Mediterranean, Greece, Italy, and Spain, where ancient farmers pressed olives under stone wheels, creating what we now call liquid gold. Even today, the finest extra virgin olive oil comes from these regions, harvested carefully and cold pressed to preserve its purity. But here's the suspense. Did you know there are different types of olive oil, and not all are equal? There's extra virgin, virgin, refined, and pomace. Among them, extra virgin olive oil stands as the king, untouched by chemicals, bursting with antioxidants, vitamins, and heart-protecting fats. Why is it so powerful? Because it fights inflammation, keeps your heart strong, makes your skin glow, and even helps digestion. Imagine starting your morning with a spoonful of olive oil. It cleanses your body from within. Picture drizzling it over fresh salads, using it lightly in cooking, or massaging it into your skin for natural radiance. Olive oil is not just a kitchen ingredient, it is a daily ritual of health and beauty. Every drop whispers a promise: longer life, stronger body, sharper mind. And here's the emotional truth. People across centuries trusted it as medicine, as food, and as a sacred gift. So next time you see that golden bottle, ask yourself, are you holding just oil? Or are you holding history's greatest secret to health? The answer is clear. Choose extra virgin olive oil, the purest, the richest, the best. Make it part of your daily life and let it transform you from the inside out. And if you want to keep discovering more hidden treasures of food, health, and science, don't forget to subscribe, because the next secret might just change your life forever.